Kapten Timnas Indonesia, Jay Idzes, memberikan pesan kepada supporter andai skuad Garuda tak lolos ke Piala Dunia 2026. Timnas Indonesia menelan kekalahan 2-3 dari Arab Saudi pada laga pertama Grup B kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026 zona Asia, Kamis 9 Oktober 2025, dini hari WIB. Beberapa hari setelahnya, Jay Idzes dan Marten Paes melakoni wawancara eksklusif di podcast Highway yang dipandu Neil Peterson.
Last message to tell them?
It's not switch like really the mentality, because the mentality is always the same.
Or more the emotion, I think. That's good.
The emotion, the disappointment
Yes.
of the game. And we just need to focus on the next game, Leave everything behind, also for the fans. Leave everything behind, we need you guys, we need your support for this next game. Because, it's so important. And you never know what can happen, even if the chance is this small. You never know what can happen. But the thing what we have control over is the game tomorrow, and we have control over how much effort we put into it, Maybe you don't play the best passes, maybe we don't play the best game like we played against Saudi Arabia. But the thing we have control over is how much effort you put in, how much you're running, how much will, how much you want to help your teammates, And I think that's always the case. Doesn't matter which game we play, even though we played not the best game against Saudi Arabia, I will be the first one to say that I didn't play my best game. I could have done things a lot better with the first goal, with the last goal we get against, even with the second goal, with all the goals. And I take that responsibility also, and I know he also takes that responsibility. Everybody takes that responsibility. So, what I want to say to the people is just keep supporting us,
Believe, right?
Believe. It's normal that sometimes in the game people make mistakes, What I already said. I will be the first one to say that I make a lot of mistakes every game. It's not like we do everything the right way. But, what's important is that we keep going, And the game is only 90 minutes. We just keep going. If you make a mistake in the first 10 minutes, doesn't mean the game is over yet, We can still make anything happen. And I just hope that the fans understand this as well, and that we always give our everything. First of all, for our teammates, on the field, even for the staff, and of course for the people. And even more so, we also play for our families, For him and I, we were not born in Indonesia, we were born somewhere else. But everything we have is because of our family, They moved somewhere else, we grew up there. And now we are in this moment and we have this opportunity to really give something back to the people. And even though maybe we will not make it to the World Cup, of course everybody hopes so, but even though if we not make it, we have to be able to look each other into the eyes and into the mirror and say like, hey, we give everything on the pitch and the people can be proud of us. And that's what it's really about, to be Indonesian.
Dalam acara itu, Neil berbicara banyak hal menarik dengan kedua pemain Timnas Indonesia tersebut. Salah satu momen yang mencuri perhatian adalah ketika Jay Idzes memberikan pesan mendalam untuk supporter Indonesia menjelang laga hidup mati melawan Irak. Bek Sassuolo itu ingin para penggemar paham bahwa melakukan kesalahan dalam sebuah pertandingan adalah hal wajar. Oleh sebab itu, Idzes berharap mereka tidak lelah untuk memberikan dukungan. Kemudian Idzes mengatakan bahwa para pemain Indonesia selalu memberikan segalanya di atas lapangan. Perjuangan tersebut diharapkan bisa membuat supporter tetap bangga kepada mereka. Andai kata Indonesia tak lolos ke Piala Dunia 2026. Yang ingin saya katakan kepada orang-orang supporter Timnas Indonesia adalah teruslah mendukung kami, kata Idzes. Itu normal bahwa terkadang dalam permainan orang membuat kesalahan. Saya akan menjadi orang pertama yang mengatakan bahwa saya sering melakukan kesalahan di setiap laga. Kita tak selalu melakukan semua hal dengan benar. Yang terpenting adalah kita terus maju, pertandingan hanya 90 menit dan kita harus terus maju. Kalau kita membuat kesalahan di 10 menit pertama, bukan berarti pertandingan berakhir. Kita masih bisa melakukan apapun. Saya berharap para penggemar memahami hal ini bahwa kami selalu memberikan segalanya di lapangan. Pertama untuk rekan setim, staf, dan semua orang. Dan terlebih lagi, kami juga bermain untuk keluarga. Kami tidak lahir di Indonesia, tapi semua yang kami miliki adalah karena keluarga. Sekarang kami berada di momen ini, memiliki kesempatan ini untuk benar-benar memberikan sesuatu kembali kepada orang-orang Meskipun jika kami tidak berhasil ke Piala Dunia, walau banyak orang berharap kami berhasil, kami harus dapat seling menatap mata dan ke cermin dan berkata seperti ini, "Hei, kami sudah memberikan segalanya di lapangan dan orang boleh bangga pada kami." Tuturnya menambahkan, duel El Rak versus Indonesia akan digelar pada Sabtu 11 Oktober 2025 malam, waktu setempat atau Minggu pukul 02.30 WIB. Kemenangan menjadi harga mati bagi timnas Indonesia, karena akan memperbesar peluang lolos ke ronde kelima bahkan ke putaran final. Sementara hasil imbang apalagi kalah bisa mengubur mimpi ke Piala Dunia 2026.